Hello friends, my name is Srinivas and I welcome you to my channel Coding Skills. As part of this video, we will learn how to delete an existing data from database table using a simple JDBC program. So let's get into the details. So we need to have these four import statements: connection, driver manager, prepare statement, and SQL exception. All these are from the SQL package. Once the import statements are added successfully, it's time to get the URL of the driver and the username and the password. Once you have all these three information handy, we need to declare a connection variable, connection con, and initialize with a null value. Then start with the try catch block and try to load a driver class name, which is specific to the database. Class.forName org.postgresql.driver. Here in this example, I'm using a Postgres. In case if you are using any other database, please use the respective driver. So for the respective driver, you also need to have the supporting jar file that needs to be added in the class path, which I have already covered as part of my very first video of my JDBC programming. I'll be mentioning on the top. You can go through that video for more details. So once the class.forName is loaded successfully, it's time to establish a connection. Connection equal to driver manager.connection, get connection. You need to pass URL, username, and password of the database. Once this particular statement successfully executed without having an issue, you will see this particular message stating that connected to the database successfully. Suppose if there is an issue in getting the connection, either it could be with some password issue or some issue with the database side itself, your control goes to the catch block where it will give us the actual information like what exactly it has caused the issue. Once the database successfully connected, this is a place where you can perform all your operations. In this case, we are trying to perform the delete operation, right? I have declared a prepared statement ps equal to connection.prepare statement. If you observe the query, delete from student where age equal to question mark. Question mark is a placeholder. We are trying to delete a specific record or records which are matching to the given age. So we need to set the values for the placeholders. ps.setInt for the parameter 122. In this case, I have only one parameter, which is age. Of type numeric, hence we are calling a set method. Here I am using a ps.executeUpdate method to know the number of rows which are impacted after executing this query, which is being captured in the row count variable. If the row count is greater than 0, simply printing a message that total records deleted. So we are printing a variable. If row count less than or equal to 0, there are no records deleted. We are printing informative message. In either case, once we are done with all these things, it's a developer responsibility to close the statement that got opened to perform the database operation. So this is a catch block. The possible exception which we might see as part of this program is SQL exception and the class not found exception. This class not found exception will be thrown from the class.forName method. And this SQL exception is from all the remaining statements. Here we are using a single catch block, hence there is a pipe symbol to separate both of them. Within the catch block, I'm just printing a stack trace. Suppose if you have any specific requirement to handle it separately, this is a place where you can perform all that logic. And finally is a block, which is a place to to close or release all the resources which are. In our case, we need to close the connection. So there is a try catch block already started because connection.close is a method that is going to throw an SQL exception. And once the connection.close is performed successfully, we are printing a message stating that connection closed. So before executing the program, let's see the database to see the number of records and Here what we are trying to do, we are trying to delete a student record which are matching to the age 22, right? Let's go to database. Let's refresh. In our database, we have only one record which are matching to the given criteria. Once we run this program, we should see that this particular record gets deleted. Let's run and see. So total records deleted 1. Go back to the database, refresh. So that particular record got deleted. Let's change the condition a little bit. Greater than 30. So if you observe the database, record number 7 and 9, these two records should be deleted after executing this program. Let's run this program again. The total number of records deleted are 2. Let's go back to database and refresh. See that the impacted record got deleted as expected. Please like the video and share it with your friends. In case if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make the video as early as possible for you. Thank you very much.